Derivative of implicit functions. What are implicit functions? Here, look at this problem. Here xy is equal to tan xy. Till now we have found the derivative of functions in the form y is equal to some function of x, isn't it? But here y and x are coming together. These kind of functions are known as implicit functions. Okay, if two variables x and y are coming together, we call those functions as implicit functions. We have to find the derivative. We have to find dy by dx. Okay, so with respect to x, we are going to derive. So, x for x variable, for the function of x, we are using the same differentiation method, same standard formulas we are going to use. But while differentiating y with respect to x, this will become dy by dx. Okay, if x square is there, while differentiating, I will tell it as 2x. But if y square is there, while differentiating, I will write it as 2y into dy by dx. That's the difference. Okay. Now, we are going to solve this. Xy is equal to tan xy. We have to find dy by dx for this function. So, differentiating with respect to x. So, d by dx of xy is equal to d by dx of tan xy. Okay. We have to differentiate this now. Product of functions. So, x into dy by dx plus y into, we have to differentiate x, isn't it? uv dash plus vu dash. So, while differentiating x with respect to x, I get 1. Here, that is equal to d by dx of tan xy. What is the differentiation of tan? Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So, while differentiating this, I get secant square xy. Now, here we have two functions. So, we have to differentiate them, that is x into dy by dx plus y into x into dy by dx plus y into, while differentiating x, I get 1. Chain rule. Okay. Now, we have to find dy by dx. So, we have to multiply this inside and bring the terms that contains dy by dx together. So, x dy by dx plus y is equal to x secant square xy into dy by dx plus y into secant square xy. Now, I am bringing the terms together. So, I am bringing this term to the left and y to the opposite. So, x dy by dx minus x secant square xy into dy by dx is equal to, already here we have y secant square xy. So, this plus y, while coming to the other side, it will become minus y. Okay. So, now I take x dy by dx outside. So, this will become 1 minus, or else I take minus x dy by dx outside, minus x dy by dx. So, this will become secant square, this will become positive because here we have negative. So, secant square xy. x ஐயும் dy by dx ஐயும் எடுத்தாச்சு மைனஸ் ஓட சேர்த்து. So, secant square xy. Here I took x dy by dx but negative, so I put minus 1 here is equal to, here I take y outside, secant square xy minus 1. Here secant square xy minus 1 and here as for secant square xy minus 1, we can simplify that. But before that, I keep dy by dx on my left and I'll bring all the terms together. That is y into secant square xy minus 1 divided by minus x into secant square xy minus 1. We can cancel them. That is equal to minus y by x. So, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Find dy by dx. For x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7. We have to differentiate both the sides. So, d by dx of x square minus xy plus y square is equal to d by dx of 7. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. We have tried this before applying differentiation. So, d by dx of x square minus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to what? D by dx of some constant function is equal to 0. D by dx of x square, that is 2x, minus d by dx of xy, uv function. Okay, so u into v dash plus v into u dash. So, x into dy by dx, differentiating y, while differentiating y we have to write dy by dx, plus y into, we have to differentiate x. With respect to x, if I differentiate, it will become 1, plus now we have to differentiate y square. So, y square will become 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So, 2x minus x dy by dx minus y plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. I keep the terms that have dy by dx on my left and other terms to my right. So, dy by dx, here 2y is the coefficient, here minus x is the. So, I take dy by dx as common. So, 2y minus x on my left. Here minus y will become plus y, 2x will become minus 2x. So, dy by dx is equal to y minus 2x divided by 2y minus x, and this is the differentiation. If x square root of 1 plus y square root of 1 plus x is equal to 0 and x is not equal to y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So, what is given? X square root of 1 plus y square root of 1 plus x is equal to 0. I bring one term to the opposite. So, x square root of 1 plus y is equal to minus y square root of 1 plus x. Squaring both sides, I get x square into 1 plus y is equal to y square into 1 plus x. So, I multiply this inside, x square plus x square y is equal to y square plus y square x. I will bring all the terms to one side, x square plus x square y minus y square x is equal to 0. X square minus y square. While clubbing these two terms, I get x plus y into x minus y. Here, while clubbing these two terms, here x square y, here y square x we have. So, if I take xy outside, then it will become x minus y is equal to 0. Bring this term to the opposite side, that is x plus y into x minus y is equal to minus xy into x minus y. x minus y get cancelled. So x plus y is equal to minus xy. So that is x is equal to minus y minus xy. So if I take minus y outside, it will become 1 plus x. So y is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x, cross multiplying. As we have only x terms here, we are also bringing that as y is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x. Now we have to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to minus d by dx of x divided by 1 plus x. What is the form of this function? It is in the form u by v. So quotient rule we have to apply. So denominator square, that is 1 plus x the whole square. In the numerator, what do you have? V u dash minus u v dash. What is our v? 1 plus x. 1 plus x. V u dash, that is differentiation of x. It is 1 minus x we have differentiation of 1 plus x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay. So that is equal to 1 plus x minus x divided by 1 plus x the whole square. X minus x will get cancelled. That is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x the whole square. I write it as x plus 1 the whole square. That is dy by dx is equal to this expression. That's what we have to prove. Third one, if 4x plus 3y is equal to log 4x minus 3y, then find dy by dx. It's also an implicit function. So what is given? 4x plus 3y is equal to log 4x minus 3y. We have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So while differentiating the left side, d by dx of 4x plus 3y. Similarly, d by dx of log 4x minus 3y. While differentiating this, first 4 into differentiating x with respect to x, and I get 1, plus 3 into differentiating y with respect to x, I have dy by dx. Here d by dx of log 4x minus 3y. What is log x differentiation? Log x is equal to 1 by x. So here 1 divided by 4x minus 3y. Now we have to differentiate this also. Log ku differentiate பண்ணியாச்சு. Now இந்த function differentiate பண்ணணும். Okay. Into 4x minus 3y. That is differentiation of x. With respect to x, I get 1 minus 3 into dy by dx. That is the differentiation. So 4 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 4x minus 3y into 4 minus 3 dy by dx. So we can multiply this inside, that is 4 divided by 4x minus 3y minus 3 by 4x minus 3y into dy by dx. Okay. Here 4 plus 3 into dy by dx. Now I am bringing the terms together. 3 dy by dx இருக்கிற terms கொண்டு வரோம். So 3 dy by dx, here minus 3 into. So it is plus 3 by 4x minus 3y dy by dx is equal to here 4 divided by 4x minus 3y plus 4, while coming to this side it will become minus 4. I can take 3 dy by dx as common. So it is 1 plus 1 divided by 4x minus 3y. Here I can take 4 common. So 1 by 4x minus 3y minus 1. We can take it as LCM. Here 4x minus 3y. So 3 into dy by dx. Here 4x minus 3y plus 1 divided by 4x minus 3y. Here 4 into 4x minus 3y is LCM. So 1 minus 4x plus 3y. Here in both the cases we have 4x minus 3y in the denominator. So I can cancel that. Dy by dx is equal to, we can cross multiply the terms. Here already we have 4 into 1 minus 4x plus 3y. Here divided by 3 into 4x minus 3y plus 1, and that's the answer.